Hello, and welcome back to Getting Started with Tribble. Today we're going to start focusing on some of the settings that you can set up in your Tribble instance. The first one we're going to go through is an important concept called tags. What are tags? Tags are labels or metadata categories applied to content sources that scope answer generation by excluding sources tagged with different values in the same category. When it comes to tags, we want to maintain some very simple best practices. For one, start simple. We don't want to over-tag from day one. We want to assess how the system naturally answers questions first, then add tags over time as we start to discover where there are certain sections of content that we want to segment. Two, use tags for distinct data areas within the same category. Good examples of this include regional documents or different legal requirements. If there's significant overlap among content and documentation, we really do not want to be applying tags. And for the end users, as they have to apply tags to projects, we want to configure the values to be very self-explanatory. So let's take a look at a few of the tags that we've already set up in our instance. We have geographical, where we've labeled the different tags as APAC, EU, USA, and we have product, on-premise, and SaaS. So once we establish the different categories that we may want to include tags around, we go back to our source documentation, and we can apply tags to these different documents. What you will notice over time is we add the documentation, tags. When we finally refresh, we will see that each of these separate documents has the appropriate tag to it. Since all three of these tags apply to the same category of regional, geographical, when we run a project through Tribble and we designate the tag to include USA only, it'll intentionally exclude any content in the EU and APAC. So again, the big key here with tags is when you have them under the same category and you select a specific tag to be included in a project, it will only exclude the other content that is tagged in the same category.